Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on self-esteem. The question is, what are self-destructive beliefs? I always try to do my best, as close to perfect as humanly possible. I try not to show any weakness. I have a strong constitution. I like people who like me. I work hard and fast. So why don't I feel successful? When we have unrealistic beliefs, these unrealistic beliefs may motivate us to act in ways that are self-destructive or self-defeating. We may set unrealistically high standards that almost always guarantees failure. As a result, we may develop a negative self-image as a person who constantly or consistently fails. Do you suffer from some of these self-destructive beliefs? To be perfect? This drive pushes you to try to perform at a perfect level, an unrealistically high level personally and professionally, and anything short of perfection is unacceptable. To be strong? This drive restrains your expression of any vulnerable emotions like loneliness, sadness, or compassion. You feel like you can't display a weakness on any front. To please others? This is when you seek approval from others. When you gain others' approval, you feel worthy, and if others disapprove of you, you feel worthless. To try to hurry up, this drive compels you to do things quickly, to always be rushing, to be impatient, and to do more than anyone would reasonably expect. To try hard, this drive pressures you to take on impossible tasks, to accept more and more responsibility, and to be an overachiever. Being an overachiever, that certainly isn't my problem. I suppose I can accept a job well done. It's probably okay if I feel vulnerable at times. I guess as long as I am happy with myself, I don't necessarily need the approval of others. I could consider my limits when it comes to speed and spunk. So I guess I can take some of the pressure off myself and really have a pleasant personal and professional life. Thank you for watching this video blog on self-esteem. And the question was, what are self-destructive beliefs? Self-destructive beliefs sneak into our self-talk and self-concept and have a negative impact on our self-esteem. Change your thoughts, change your life. If you or your coworkers are struggling with self-destructive beliefs, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation that will take the pain out of your gain.